Hello everyone, my name is Jason Fain from Instructional Design and Development at UTSA, and today I wanted to show you the announcements tool. In the past, when WebCT was around, what faculty members were doing was they were editing their page header, edit the header, and they were creating announcements for their students by putting text in big, bold, green or red letters or something vivid. But now Blackboard has kind of seen that, realized it, and has kind of made their own solution to that. So what we have now is a tool called Announcements. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the Teach view because usually teachers make the announcements, and then click Announcements. Now we already have one here, but I wanted to go ahead and show you how to create your own. So I'm going to go ahead and create an announcement for the students, and you can give it a title and a message. So the title, I'm going to call it Test Tomorrow, and it looks like I've already typed this out before, so I'll just go ahead and select it and tell the students, make sure you study well. This one will be tough. Okay, and now that I have that set, I can go ahead and select who is going to receive this message. So if I wanted to, I can make a message only for teaching assistants. So any of my TAs, if they're a TA in my course, they'll get this message. Nobody else will. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select just the student. Now another thing I can do is select all roles, which will go ahead and select everybody in the course. But like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and give it to the student. You can select any combination though, based on whatever your needs are. And then I'm going to go ahead and start displaying it now, which is today is the 2nd of June. And I'm going to go ahead and display it until tomorrow because after that we're going to be having our test. It won't really matter. And the very last option I have is to go ahead and deliver it as a pop-up message. I'm going to go ahead and select this. What it does is the first thing the student sees when they log into Blackboard will be this pop-up message. So there's no way that the student can say, you know, I didn't see this, it didn't show up. I mean, it will show up within Blackboard as long as they've run their Blackboard check and they went ahead and passed it, because one of the things it tests for is the pop-up window. So I'm going to go ahead and click Send. And there we go. We can go ahead and see it here, and then I can even preview it. So if I click here, there's a little preview button I can select. This is what the students will see. Make sure you study well. This one will be tough. So they can close this out, and then it will let them into their Blackboard. Another thing it does, I'm going to go into student view. Now remember, I'm not logging in, so it's not going to show me the pop-up. I'm just clicking into a course. Another thing it does though is it selects this little green dot to let the students know, hey, there's something new, there's a new announcement from your professor, so you should pay attention. And there we can see there's a test tomorrow. So with that said and done, this concludes our tutorial on the announcement tool in Blackboard.